how to edit sent messages on WhatsApp Messenger on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can edit sent messages, or how you can edit messages after you have sent it on WhatsApp on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now after the latest update, you'll be able to edit your sent messages. Now simply open up your WhatsApp, and here you should get an interface like this. Now here you can see I've opened up a chat and I've sent a message here, hey. Now in order to edit a sent message, you can see I've already sent and it's already delivered. You want to simply double tap on the message that you wish to edit, and once you double tap here, you should get an interface like this with various options. Now here you can see star, reply, forward, copy, edit, info and delete. You want to simply tap on edit option, and here you'll be able to edit your text from hey. I'll just switch it to hi right here, and simply tap on OK or tick mark here and it'll be edited. You can see this message was edited for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp. So simply tap on OK and you can see message has been edited. So this way you can edit sent messages on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.